everyone, this is one of our hot-selling series, the EPM VSD Screw Air Compressor series. As you can see, its shell is covered with our brand color, bright yellow. So, it is clean and shiny. Now, let's open it to see its parts inside. It is with lots of technology patents, such as CE and ISO certificates. And the intelligent inverter technology is perfectly used in the inverter of this machine. Compared with the common power frequency compressor, it can save 42% more energy for you. To enhance the efficiency of your work, it is a right choice for you.